How to fix OmeTV not installing on Android. First, check the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Now try downloading the OmeTV from Play Store. Your problem should be fixed. If not, try switching the account in the Play Store. Tap on the account icon that you can see at top right corner of your screen. After you do that, tap on the option Switch Account. Tap on Another Account. Now try installing the OmeTV. Your problem should be fixed. You can check the storage. Open Settings on your device. Scroll down. Find the option for storage and tap on it. If the storage is full, you'll have to free up some space. In that case, you can tap on the option Free Up Space. Tap on the option Clean. Also, you can delete the applications. Open the app library. Find the application that you no longer use. Long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Uninstall. Tap on the option OK. Once you free up some space, try downloading the OmeTV. Now it should be downloaded. If it is still not downloaded, open the Play Store again. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top. Scroll down, tap on the option Settings. You'll be able to see various options over here. Tap on the option About. Right over here, you can find the option for Update Play Store. Tap on it. Tap on the option Got It. Now after the new version of Play Store is updated, you'll be able to download it. Try installing the OmeTV and your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, you'll have to consult the support of OmeTV. Open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar. After you do that, simply search for OmeTV support. You'll be able to see various results over here. Tap on the link provided by OmeTV itself. Now you'll be led to the support interface. Tap on the field of first name. Enter the first name over here. Enter the last name. Also provide the email address. After you do that, tap on this field. Now enter your problem over here. Include that you're not being able to install the OmeTV. Check on this box, I'm not a robot. After you do that, tap on the send option. Now you just contacted the support of the OmeTV. They will contact you via the email shortly. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. Simply follow through the instructions of OmeTV. After you do that, try downloading the OmeTV and your problem will be fixed. Like this, you'll be able to fix OmeTV not installing on Android. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.